Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, I hope that you are very safe and sound at home, enjoying your studying, and also you are working very hard for upcoming your test series as well as your second term exam. Today we are going to do the MCQs of grade 3 science subject. Look at the board very carefully and understand that one MCQs. What does it mean, MCQs? It means M stands for multiple choice question. Multiple choice question. It means MCQs. There is one statement and down we have got 3 options and we are going to select one of them, that is called our MCQs, multiple choice question. I hope you understood this one. Number 1. There are dash planets in our solar system. There are dash planets in our solar system. Options are 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8, 9. We have already read or studied this chapter, solar system, in which we have found that there are how many planets? There are written 8 planets in that particular sort of chapter called solar systems. There are 8 planets in our solar system, like Neptune, Mercury, Uranus, Earth, like this one. Number 2. A dash planet does not have clear orbit. A dash planet does not have a clear orbit. You know what does it mean, orbit? This is Sun around it. This is planet like Mercury. It moves anti-clockwise. And that path is called orbit. That path is called orbit. And as far as these planets are concerned, 8 planets, I earlier mentioned it. This is orbit. The path of the planet is generally called its orbit. Over here we have got this statement. A dash planet does not have a clear orbit. Option is Jupiter, dwarf, Venus. A. Jupiter, dwarf planet, and Uranus, Venus or Uranus. This one, C. A planet does not have a clear orbit. And you know what does it mean, orbit? Orbit means a path of a planet. Here, answer is this one. Dark C, B. Answer is B. Dark planet. Because dark planets are looking very small. It is far away. This is our sun, solar system. It is far away, this side, far away over here. We have got the Pluto long distance. It seems to be a small one, very far away from our solar system, and that is dark planet. Okay, here a dark planet does not have a clear orbit. I hope you understood this one. Number 3. The dash orbits around the Earth. The dash orbits around the Earth. Earth. Here we have section A, Moon. B here, Sun, Neptune. Sun, C, Neptune. As I earlier told you in chapter solar system, that Moon is a natural satellite of our Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of our Earth. That's why it's flat. This one. Sun is the central part of our solar system. Neptune, a planet around its Sun, the central point of our solar system, and Moon. This is Earth, and that is Moon. It orbits around the Earth. It orbits around the Earth, and generally called, it is a natural satellite of the Earth. I hope you understood this one. Number 4. Earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation. Earth takes dash hour to complete its rotation on its axis. On its axis. This one. Number A, how many hours? 22, 23, 24. 22, B, 23, C, 24. Rotation. You know, axis, look this one. This is Earth. When it's move its own axis like this, it turns like this. Like this. Okay? And it takes how many hours? And it moves around its axis, never anti-clockwise. How many hours? It takes 24 hours. This is correct. For his rotation around its axis, how many hours? 24 hours. Look this one. Number 5. Which is the biggest space telescope? Which is the biggest space telescope? Number 1, Hubble. James Webb. Hubble. James Webb. C. Spitzer. we studied that Hubble is the biggest space telescope. Hubble. This is correct one. Number A. Hubble is the biggest space telescope through which we observe what is it in space. Number 6. The most important gas in the atmosphere is the most important gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen. This one. As I earlier told you, what is atmosphere? Just understand this one. This is our Earth, around which this is atmosphere. It is called atmosphere. Okay, here we have got 4 objects like this one: nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water vapor in our air around the Earth. What is around the Earth? That is atmosphere. Up over here, space. And this is here we have got nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Water vapor. Okay. What is the most important gas in atmosphere? Definitely we got this one, oxygen. Oxygen is the most important gas in atmosphere. This is correct. Number 7, the part outside the atmosphere is called the part outside the atmosphere is called, here we have got the option: space, air, and vapors. Space, air, vapors. What is this? Just read the statement. The part outside the atmosphere is called what? Look here. First we understand this one. It is our Earth. This is atmosphere. And what is it here? Definitely you studied that one. What is that one? Space. This is. Answer is this one. Space. Here we have got space. This is Earth. Around it we have an ozone layer. And within that ozone layer, around the Earth, we have got atmosphere. Outside that one part, the part outside the atmosphere, this is the outside, called what? Space. Number 8. When the wind is light and gentle is called, when the wind is light and gentle, is called a what? Look, we got the options one: gale, air, and breeze. Gale, air, When the wind is light and gentle is called, we have studied that one, two type of air in our wind and air chapters. When the wind is light and gentle is called breeze. Cool breeze is blowing. When the wind is strong, that is called gale. And when it is very light and gentle, it is called breeze. Number 9. The material through which electricity can pass is called the material through which electricity can pass. Electricity can pass is called what? Number A, circuit. B, conductor. C, insulator. Insulators. Look this one. In this chapter, we came to know about this, the two kind of materials, like this one, conductor and insulator. Look this one. Insulator are such kind of materials where electricity cannot pass through. And the conductor, we have got such kind of material where electricity can pass through easily, like water, air, steel, anything which is made of steel. Insulator, it cannot let the electricity pass through it, like plastic, rubber, wood. Here, this is the correct answer. Number 10. When the wind blows very strongly is called, when the wind blows very strongly is called breeze, gale, sea, air. What is the answer? Gale. In number 8 or 7 we did that once. When the wind blows very strongly is called gale. When it blows very gentle, it calls breeze. Number 11. A magnet has dash poles. Magnet has dash poles. Two, three, four. Fun with magnets, you have already studied that once, and I made you clear about magnets. Do you know how many poles are there in a magnet? Just think over it. has two poles. And what are they? This is our magnet. We have got north pole and south pole. That sort of direction, north and south pole, from this side, it has the strongest strength, a power from that side, north and south pole. It means a magnet has only two poles. What are they? North and south pole. Number 12. A magnet can attract. A magnet can attract what things? Paper, iron, plastic. First one, paper, iron, plastic. This one, paper, iron, plastic. In chapter Fun with Magnets, I showed you that it can't be pulled by the magnet, and this one plastic. Only the thing which is made of steel or iron, magnet can attract. These things can attract by the magnet. Number 13. The area of invisible force around a magnet is called the area of an invisible. It cannot be seen. Invisible force around a magnet is called what? Magnetic material. Magnetic material. Magnetism. C. Magnetic field. In chapter Fun with Magnets, we know about this one. Invisible force. This is a magnet. Around it, it is a invisible force. The area of an invisible force. From here to here, from down to here. Invisible force. What does it called? You study that one. It is called magnetic field. It is called magnetic field. It cannot be seen, but that's why it's called an invisible force. Number 14. Dash is the good conductor of electricity. Dash is the good conductor of electricity. We got the option here: wood, plastic, metal. Wood, plastic, metal. What is a good conductor? Only metal. The things which is made of metal or iron, that are good conductor. Number 15. The largest planet of the solar system is largest planet of the solar system is, we have got such kind of option: Mercury, Jupiter, Neptune. Mercury, Jupiter, last one, Neptune. Dear student, we have got Mercury, Jupiter and Neptune, known as planets. Which is the largest one? Which is the largest one? In our solar system, chapter in solar system, we have come to know that Jupiter is the largest planet in of the solar system. Okay, dear student, today we finish this one MCQ. There are 15 more. It means we have got 30 MCQs for the second term. I do hope that you understood it very well. What is your homework? Look, this one, homework. Write and learn. Write and learn MCQs. Write it very beautifully on your copy and learn them in a very good way. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture, and also I wish you very best of luck. Work hard at home. If you got any sort of difficulty, you may contact. You may ask me from my mobile or some other way. Okay, and if you don't have my mobile, you can take help from your elders, and they will definitely make you understand what a difficulty that you have to face. Okay, dear student, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.